Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Grateful Me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a perforated tear strip using silhouette. What I mean by that, if you watched my previous video where I made the money card template, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this perforated section to make it easier for the recipient to get the money out of your money card. Okay, to make this, all you need is a hexagon. So I'm just going to take this shape, try to draw it as straight up and down as possible, and change it from 5 to 6. And then I'm going to take the fill out, so I'm going to make it none. I'm going to copy and paste it. And this second one, I'm going to rotate 90 degrees. All right. Then I'm going to take this knife tool. And for this one, I'm going to slice kind of down the middle, holding down the shift key to make that slice a nice straight line. I'm going to click it again, and I'm going to slice it along that angle. So you have something that looks like that. Delete that piece, you don't need it. Take the knife tool again and slice that way. Don't need that piece. Take this section and you are gonna copy and paste. So hit Control C, Control V. This section you're gonna slice. Try to make it even, straight down the middle. Okay. So this part is going to be the top of your tab. This part will be the bottom of your tab. Go ahead and drag to highlight the bottom and the top, holding down the shift key, and align it to the left. Take the whole thing, Control G to group it together as one piece. Then you're going to take this section and try to get it as straight as possible along this line, but do not connect those points, okay? You're going to make duplicate copies of this, Control C and Control V a bunch of times, okay? Highlight all of them, align them to the top, highlight them all, group it together, Control G, and I'm just going to bring this down just a little bit. All right, Control C, Control V to copy and paste. You take this second one, flip it vertically, and now you have the top. So just try to align this far left point with this, but do not connect them. I'm going to highlight both of these sections and align left. Take the entire thing, Control G, group it together. There you have it. You can downsize this to make it fit within the rectangle that you use. And just make sure that you attach it all before you cut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check the description box below if you would like a free copy of this as a freebie so you don't have to make it. Thank you guys so much for watching.